In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a WGDashboard server for WireGuard VPN on DigitalOcean. First, log into your DigitalOcean account and create a new droplet. Choose your preferred Linux distribution, such as Ubuntu, select a plan, and create the server. Once the droplet is ready, connect to it using SSH from your terminal. After logging in, update the server packages and install WireGuard first. Then install WGDashboard by downloading the required files from its official source and running the installation commands. After installation, start the WGDashboard service and enable it so it runs automatically after server reboots. Next, open the required firewall ports in your DigitalOcean networking settings and on the server itself so WireGuard and the dashboard can be accessed. Now open your browser and enter your server IP address with the WGDashboard port number. Log into the dashboard, create a new WireGuard configuration, add clients, and generate VPN profiles. Finally, download the client configuration file and import it into the WireGuard app on your device. Your WireGuard VPN server with WGDashboard on DigitalOcean will now be ready to use.